I'm a nice guy. I respect that.
Forty-three, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Yesterday, the electorate capture who they wanted to capture. And that's the beauty of it. And you can see that the electorate is not the respecter of age. They respect ideas and they vote based on their ideas and conviction. So whoever wants to remain in politics now will not be based on your capacity to undermine the electorate. It will be to the extent to which you can connect with the people. When you connect with the people, then you are strong. If you just connect with Abuja, Abuja is not coming here to vote. That issue was settled yesterday. Very decisively. So there's nothing personal about it. I'm a nice guy. I respect that.